Tesla stock is trying very hard to react and resume the bullish sentiment again. However, this is not an easy task, at least not right now. We see a lot of conflicting signals. The market is not speaking the same language anymore, as the S&P is doing one thing, the Nasdaq index another. Indicators are totally out of control, but for me it is still possible to find some sense in all of this despite today's crazy reaction, and I will explain why. Just remember, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's start our analysis in this video, starting with Tesla stock. We are gonna talk about Tesla, we are gonna talk about the indices and much more. So come on, stick with me. This is Tesla's daily chart. What we see here is that Tesla did a false breakout of this top level at $277. Nathan, why is this a false breakout? Because we actually broke this black line over here. We closed it above it for 1-2 days, and then we closed it below this black line. We did a top signal over here, and since then, we have yet to break this black line again. Now, the 277 is acting as a resistance level again. So, as long as Tesla remains below this black line over here, below this resistance again, $277, for those who are just listening to me, because I know that many of you guys like to listen to my videos while you guys are driving, right? Still, pay attention to the traffic, but $277. As long as Tesla remains below this black line, it is not gonna truly turn bullish again. Or at least it is not gonna resume the previous bullish sentiment, because Tesla is still bullish. In spite of this movement over here, which kind of sucks, I will be honest with you guys, we are still bullish. And what's the problem? Why this move simply sucks? Because right now we are under the resistance at 277, but we are still above the 21 exponential moving average over here. So this is a classic, this has a name, it is a classic trap zone. Anything that Tesla does inside a trap zone is extremely dangerous. There is a very high chance that it is just another false signal. So right now, as crazy as this sounds, it feels like there is not much to do at the moment. We gotta wait for a crystal clear breakout either of the $277 to resume the bullish momentum, or by losing the 21 EMA. In this case, the bull trend will get weaker, and probably we are going to try to retest the next support level at $240 again. Now, of course, I am only looking at Tesla right here, right now. If we look at the broad market, the situation gets more complicated. We are going to talk about indicators as well, but first, let's talk about the S&P. The S&P did a phenomenal movement today. We broke the previous top level, we broke the previous resistance area over here at 44.49, this black line over here, which did act as a resistance level 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the past. Right now, we broke this line. What's more, we broke by doing a gap. So we are gapping up. This is just crazy. This tells us that the index is extremely bullish. It is still extremely bullish. And we are doing a new high, and this indicates that long-term speaking, mid to long-term speaking, we are about to retest the next resistance level, which is around 46.37. Now, of course, pullbacks are totally acceptable and even desirable in this circumstance. But if the S&P loses the 44.49 again, I believe we are going to lose momentum and approach the 21 exponential moving average again. When we look at the Nasdaq index, instead of the Nasdaq, let's look at QQQ. QQQ is the Nasdaq index ETF, all right? This ETF replicates the Nasdaq index. We see that the last time QQQ hit the 21 exponential moving average was more than 2 months ago, May 5, May 5th, I don't know how to pronounce 5th in English. If you don't know, by the way, I am Brazilian. Follow me on Instagram, by the way, because there I share my daily life here in Brazil. I share exclusive content about Tesla, about trading, about the market. My name is Nathan and I am a professional trader in Brazil for nearly a decade. So come on, follow me there. It is a very funny Instagram. Just the link is in the description of this video. Now, QQQ, this one has been more than 2 months that does not retest the 21 EMA. I don't know the last time that this happened before, more than 2 months without retesting the 21 EMA. If you know the answer for this question, just leave a comment below. I always read the comments. I always answer you guys. So just leave a comment. But I don't remember of seeing QQQ, the tech stock index, so far away from the 21 EMA without retesting it for more than 2 months, alright? I don't remember. If you do, just leave a comment below, alright? But this only makes me a little bit more nervous, a little bit more anxious, and although we see a crystal clear resistance level at $372.85, let me put it this right here, 85 cents. Although we see crystal clear resistance level over here, we are not doing a major phenomenal breakout like the S&P is doing right now. So, see, the situation, it is not easy right now. Therefore, this is why I'm telling you guys, seeing Tesla inside this trap zone is extremely dangerous. So let's just wait for a crystal clear breakout either of the 277 or the 21 EMA. If we see QQQ breaking the $372 for real, actually closing above it, and then tomorrow going up a little bit higher, then okay, probably we're gonna see a true breakout. But right now, the situation is very delicate. And to make things a little bit more complex, because, well, that's just not enough, let's take a look at a few indicators. And by the way, if you're still watching this video and you're not my subscriber, come on, subscribe this channel. You are probably enjoying the content so far, so come on, subscribe. Click on the like button to support me. The like button is for free. Thank you very much for your audience. Now let's take a look at indicators. Well, this is a bull market, okay? Tesla is in a bull market. We did a classic golden cross. Tesla triggered a bullish flag over here. It did a bullish pivot point on the weekly and monthly charts. So yeah, this is a crystal clear bull trend right now. We just reversed the bear trend, which started in November 2021. We did trigger a phenomenal bullish structure. Now, if you ask me, of course, pullbacks are totally acceptable. And if Tesla actually loses the 21 EMA on the daily chart, I do believe we could drop to lower levels, maybe to retest the 50-period moving average over here, which is very close to our previous pivot point, right? Around $217, which I did warn you guys multiple times in this channel. So this key point over here is supposed to act as a very important dual support level in the future. Okay, if Tesla confirms a sharper correction, it would still be bullish. It is still a bull market. It is going to be very, very difficult for Tesla to reverse the bull trend right now at this moment. So, in my humble opinion, any pullback would be just an opportunity to buy. Now, you may say, Nathan, on the daily chart, we see that RSI is divergent, right? We see a very strong divergence over here. While Tesla is making new highs, the RSI is just making new lows, right? And this is a warning signal. But I have another one for you. Do you know the OBV, the on-balance volume? This one is actually confirming the bullish bias over here. So yesterday I told you guys, to every single possible bearish argument you present to me, I can present another bullish argument refuting your argument and vice versa. Right now, the situation could not be more complex. We see that the markets are just going wild. For instance, today, I'm gonna review to you guys this today. I have a auto trading signal on SPY that is extremely powerful. It has nearly 90% win ratio. Last month we performed insanely well, and today it triggered a sell signal on SPY. So just so you can realize how complex the situation is right now. We are going up incredibly well. The trend is clearly bullish. We just did a breakout of a previous top level. This auto trading signal is triggering a sell signal today. So yeah, and of course, if you want to keep in touch with sophisticated signals, to my personal insights, to my personal buy and sell signals, join our Telegram channel. The link is also in the description of this video. And again, subscribe, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla, the indices, Nasdaq index, and much more. Subscribe, click on the like button. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.